Do you know how many people plague themselves from the past and having those thoughts dominate their mind? I mean, when people try to manifest, it is nearly 90% of the people trying to manifest any desire or anything into their life that they have past experiences and past results dominating their thoughts. And I don't want you to be one of those people. In today's video, we're going to talk about past revision. One of the #1 manifesting methods that have helped myself and my clients and customers, allowing them to finally free themselves from the past, to actually manifest, let go of the old stuff, to actually have the desires come into play. Just before we jump into the technique today, throw a like on the video. It's going to send it out to more people, and we're going to raise the consciousness of this world together as that gets sent out to more people. Click subscribe on the channel and then click the bell icon to get notified when we send out more great manifesting content right directly to you, as the channel is all about helping you actually get results that you actually desire and want using manifestation. Let's jump right into it. Many people have this past result that dominates their mind. If I asked you right now, could you manifest an extra $10,000 this week? What would you say? Now, in your mind, you might say, yeah, I think that's possible. Or you might have a little more certainty and say, absolutely, I can do that. Or you might be in the boat of saying, I really don't think that's possible. Where's that going to come from? $10,000? There's no way. Why do you think you answered the way you did, at least in your thought? Because obviously I'm not talking to you directly, conversating with you. But when you said this in your thought, why do you think you said what you said? What was your answer, and why was it your answer? Most people's answer is based on their past experience. They've never done it before. For the people that said, there's no way, how's that going to come? Right? That person, in case number 3, might have said $10,000 in a week. I've never done that. I have no idea how that would come. Therefore, it can't work for me. Another person might say, well, I've manifested $2,000 in a week. $10,000, it's a stretch, but I do believe in possibility and manifestation in the universe. I know it's possible, but I don't have that certainty. So again, they're basing it on past experience. Now, the other person that had certainty that said $10,000, absolutely I can manifest this in this week. Most likely, they've already done it before. They've earned, say, $40,000 in a month or something close to it. They manifested $10,000 a week and say, of course I could do that. I don't know how it's going to happen this time, but I've done it before, therefore I can do it again. Right? So many times our answers on what's possible for us is just based on the past. Again, another quick example around money is, can you manifest $250,000 in a year, or $100,000, 6 figures in a year? The answer is usually dictated on, have I done that so far? If we change our thinking and we change our outlook and we start looking through what we desire to manifest through spiritual eyes or possibility, we're going to start to see that our world in the future is limitless. And how do we do that? What's the method to actually do that? Past revision. What you do is you actually sit down, close your eyes, and remember a time when you had manifested a certain amount of money in a week, $500, $1,000, whatever it is, and you wish it was a lot more. You see that result in your mind. Then you replay the memory, revising it. So you literally take the memory that you have of manifesting a certain amount of money, and you revise it and see yourself actually manifesting the desired amount of money. Everything in your imagination, you see that revised memory with emotion, your senses, you start to really sense that you have changed the result. You use all 5 senses. You have conversations with people that were from that memory, but with the new memory. So instead of saying, yeah, I just manifested $500, you tell that person, I manifested $10,000, and you see their reaction. So basically, you live the experience and you change your perception on how you can manifest and your ability to manifest. So again, we're not plaguing ourselves with past memory. We're not looking through the future through memory. That's a losing game. We're looking through the future through spiritual eyes and possibility. And we revise our memory. I would go through this exercise every day, once a day, for 7 days straight. And I would take one memory that you have in every area of life and revise it. Change your outlook. If you want to manifest soulmate, you want to manifest that specific person or anything like that, go into your past and change your perception on how you have had this area of life satisfied so far. See yourself with love. See yourself with happiness in a loving atmosphere with your partner, right? So revise memories, not of past people, but you revise memories of concepts, love, goodness, that kind of stuff. Do it in terms of money. Do it in terms of your health. If you've always been somebody a little bit overweight, start revising your memory and start thinking of yourself as somebody who's always been able to release weight and lose the weight that you want. Right, so take any area of life and revise memory, not of specific people, but revise and bring forward your results in every area of life. See yourself as the person already there. Okay? As you do this, you're going to start looking through the lens of the future, that spiritual possibility. You're going to free yourself from your own mental limitations through revising these past experiences. Ultimately, what you're doing is you're revising the energy that you're attached to. Because right now, that's all we have is the power of now. In Eckhart Tolle book and saying, right? That's all we have is the power right now in this awareness. Yesterday was yesterday, tomorrow's tomorrow, but it's not happening right now. It's all happening in the fourth dimensional side or our energetic side, yes. But right now, you can only be right now. So instead of looking yesterday's results, look at tomorrow's results through your spiritual possibility today. Things will start to change.